Hi! In front of me is NOKIA T10 and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. First of all, you need to locate Messages app and click on it. Then select one of your chats. When you're ready, click on this little icon with a camera and the photo located at the bottom left corner of chat window. Then you can click on your photos right away in order to add them. You can also click on Gallery section, select them here and click on Add at the top right corner. You can also click on Gallery, select Folders, look for your photos over here in Recent Files, in one of those apps, or in one of those sources at the top left corner. When you find all the needed ones, hold them and select at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!